Am I seeing this right?
What's going on with it?
Jackie, you all done? You want me to take that cake away? I think that means no.
Terrible.
Terrible? What's terrible?
Hard.
It's hard?
Hard.
You can use your fingers if you want.
Heart. I think he's trying to say heart.
Yeah, it sounds like it.